3-4 months since our last video, and lots of things are going, but nothing is finished and completed yet. We are in really big process of moving and applying for the bank loan. So last time we made some contract with the company, building company, and also we applied for the kids nursery school. So the good news is we got exception from the nursery school, and the younger two kids are going to the same nursery school, and we are happy about it. Yeah.
Yes, that's the big relief. And as the nursery school has been confirmed, now we can feel that actually we can start the moving process.
Yeah.
But there are lots of things to do, and we have done almost nothing. So yeah, we are a little bit concerned or stressed how we are going to finish all the things before 25th of this month.
Yeah. So we just got the confirmation from the nursery last month, and today we went to there and saw how the nursery school, and also got some interview talk with the principal and the teachers, and I think they will be just fine there. Even we are going to a new neighborhood and they are going to new nursery school. I think kids will be okay.
Yes, but the nursery school is fine. It's a little spacious. The environment is good, but that will be a little bit far from our current situation, because from our new home, the nursery is like 10 minutes walking.
Yeah, 10 minutes, I think.
Yeah, so that will be a little bit troublesome.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I think they will be just fine,
Yeah.
because our current nursery school is just 5 steps from our door almost.
Yeah.
So it was really convenient, and the new one will be maybe with kids it will take maybe 15 minutes or something like that, 10-15 minutes. So it will be a little longer walk, but I think they will be fine. And after that we booked our moving company too, because we lived in this home for almost 6.5 years. Yeah. Right. Yeah. So lots of things. We have lots of things, even though we are trying to throw away unnecessary things, but still we have some furnitures and some lots.
And actually we are confused about which things to take and which things to get rid of.
Yeah, he wants to throw almost all of the things, and I don't think it would be necessary. So we will take some few furnitures from this home, and some books and toys and clothes and a lot of my belongings with me. And the moving is confirmed on end of March. So yeah, the last weekend of the March. So
we have to start packing everything.
Yeah. And before that, what we are now little concerned is our bank loan. In Japan, especially when you don't have permanent residency, it will be little tough. It's not like it's impossible, but it will be little tough to get good percentage.
Yeah, because there is only a limited number of banks who gives loans to foreigners. So like big banks like Mizuho or Mitsubishi UFJ, from those banks we can apply even if we do not have permanent residency. Yes, but there are something about the interest rate, because there might be some other bank we could have applied if we had Japanese citizenship or permanent residency with low interest rate. But now, as we have only two choices, Mizuho or UFJ, so we have to go with those two banks only.
Yeah, neither of us has the permanent residency, and so we are going to apply for Mizuho Bank, and the interest rate is a little bit higher than most of the online bank or some little banks. They are offering a little low interest, but since we don't have the Japanese permanent residency, we will apply to the Mizuho Bank. And but the good thing is they are accepting us to pay the 10% of the home first.
Prepayment.
Yeah, prepayment, and we will get 90% from the bank loan.
Yeah. Yes.
And I think that's low, I think, because when we try to find another house from another company, they offered us like 20% off.
Like we have to pay 20% in advance, and we can get loan from the bank for the rest of the 80%. But in this case, we are paying 10%, only 10% in advance, and we are getting loan for the rest of the 90% from the bank.
And we choose to pay the 10% because in Japan, mostly when you have bank loan, 주택 loan.
Yes, loan we might get some tax benefit during the year end.
For first 10 or 12 years we will get some tax deduction, and it will depend on how much loan we have. So we are choosing to pay the 10% first, and
90% means we have higher loan and we might get some tax
deduction, and we are aiming for that. So I think we will go with the Mizuho Bank. And the paperwork will be finalized in maybe next week. We will go to the bank and finalize it. And also when you are buying a home in Japan, you have to apply for lots of insurances.
Like fire insurance or earthquake or natural disaster.
Also the one we are considering and try, I think we will go with this one, and it will have also it will also cover up our furnitures like television, bed, etc. So especially when you are buying a new home and new furnitures, I think we should insure it with the insurance.
Okay, so we will not get money for buying those, but the insurance will cover up if any
disaster
happens and those furniture are broken.
So like Japan has earthquake pretty frequently, right? So when strong earthquake hit and the furnitures will be destroyed or it has some problems, I think the insurance company will cover it, and not only just the house,
but also the furniture.
And I think that would be a safe choice for us, and we will choose the Kasai Hoken and Kazai Hoken, and Jishin Hoken in Japanese, and this must be applied. And also we will be applying for the since we are getting a lot of money from the bank loan also insists us to apply for insurance, and it will
life insurance. You mean?
And it means if something some accident or some terrible
even frankly speaking, if someone dies, the loan will be we don't have to pay the loan.
we will not have to pay the rest of the loan because this insurance, this life insurance will cover it up. Yeah. So
yeah, and we don't have to pay additional premiums for this insurance, and those insurance premiums are already included in the interest.
Bank loan interest. Yeah. And also, if the money we are getting from the bank is higher than the I think we are getting pair loan because if only Sean gets the loan, he has to pay pretty much. I think over 50% from higher than his monthly salary. So in Japan, they will not accept it, and the two option is either to have pair loan with your spouse or lower the price of the house you are
that means
buying.
based upon your salary, the bank decides whether you can pay that alone by yourself. So in case of our car, the home we're going to buy, they think that it might be difficult for the whole payment only by my salary. So we are applying for a pair.
Yeah, and so since we are both of us applying for the loan, both of us will need to apply for this life insurance too. Yeah.
Okay, and then there is also another option called regarding cancer. It's additional. So like if for the first time, if you are diagnosed with cancer, the loan will be also it will become zero. You don't have to pay the loan, but in this case the interest rate will go up. It will be plus 0.2, means our current interest rate is 0.525, and if we apply for the cancer insurance, it will be 0.725, and we have to pay lots more. So we are not going for the
we will at this
cancer.
time we will not apply for the cancer.
Yeah, I think we are young and healthy, and no disaster will come to us.
Hopefully.
But by the way, actually, I have another insurance, medical insurance regarding cancer. So I have covered up some risk through that other insurance. So yeah, you might think about that.
Yeah, I think when you are going to buy home, and it is a big commitment, right? Big thing commitment to your family. I think you need to really insure all those.
Yeah, your health or other natural disasters, accidents.
In Japan, insurance is pretty big thing, and I really think we should apply for it. Yeah. And that's the thing. And next week we will see our inside of the house. Until today we only saw it from the outside, and next week we have Nairankai. Nairankai, it means we can go inside and check all the
interior.
All the things from inside, and I'm pretty excited about it because we have to buy most of our furnitures, but since we haven't been inside, and it was a little difficult for us to choose the furnitures. And
actually understand the dimension is really difficult. So after going to the home, after entering the home for the first time, we will have some idea about how big or how small furnitures we need to buy.
And we are excited about it. And okay, that's it for today. Is there anything you want to say?
No, hopefully come to you again and make another video, and we can show our new house on that video.
today we just went there and saw it from the outside, and mostly almost all of the things is were done, and they are doing some works inside. And yeah, Monday we will go and see it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thanks. Bye.